I rise to commend the Constitution Amendment Bill seeking to have an impartial and multi-member election commission. Stop. The object of the bill is simple but important. Stop. It seeks to provide for a multi-member election commission, removal of the members of election commission including the chief election commissioner from office only in like manner and on like grounds as a judge of the Supreme Court, and powers to the election commission to make rules for regulating its own procedure, etc. Stop. The present position under Article 324 of the Constitution is that the superintendent's direction and control of the preparation of the electoral rolls for and the conduct of all elections to Parliament and to the state legislature and of the offices of the state legislature and of the offices of the president and vice president and vested in the election commission. Stop. Clause 2 of the article visualizes that the election commission consists of the chief election commissioner and such number of other election commissioners as the president may from time to time fix. Stop. Stanza. But unfortunately the commission continues to be a single member body in spite of the demand in parliament, the press and the public platform. Stop. The chief election commissioner, the words election commissioners are incorrect, is the sole authority in all matters pertaining to preparation of the electoral rolls and conduct of election of the president, the vice president and members of parliament and of state legislatures. Stop. In this largest democratic electoral system in the world, the entrustment of one single individual with this task, which has a great bearing on the functioning of democratic, has a great bearing on the functioning of democratic institutions, is not desirable. Stop. What are the duties and functions entrusted to the election commission? Question mark. Under the constitution and the law, the functions of the chief election commissioner are: he superintends, directs and controls elections to parliament, the state legislatures and to the offices of the president and vice president. Stop. He is also responsible for preparation and revision of electoral rolls for all these elections. Stop. It is his duty to see that the electoral rolls are kept up to date at all times. Stop. He is required to superintend elections to fill casual vacancies in parliament and state legislatures. Stop. He is required to give his opinion under Article 103 and 192 when a vital question arises, whether of parliament or of a state legislature, subject to any of the disqualifications. Stop. Over.